Welcome. If you've ever wanted to revisit your group posts and comments on Facebook but weren't sure where to find them after the recent update, this step-by-step guide is just what you need. Today, you'll learn how to easily track your group activity using the Facebook app on your PC, following Facebook's latest interface. First, make sure you have the Facebook app open on your PC. This guide is designed for the new update, so the steps may look a little different from what you're used to. Start by heading to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile photo. Click on that photo. The menu will expand with a range of options related to your profile and settings. Next, look for the section called Settings and Privacy. Click on it to reveal more options. The area might include shortcuts to things like Privacy Checkup, but what you're looking for is the Activity Log. Select Activity Log from this menu. This tool is your central hub for reviewing your activity across Facebook. It logs everything you do, making it a powerful feature for staying organized. Inside the activity log, you'll see several categories. Find the one labeled Groups, Posts, and Comments. Click on this option. Now, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the posts and comments you've made in any group across Facebook. You can scroll through your entire group activity history, from the very first comment you made to your most recent post. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to monitor your past contributions, delete something you no longer wish to keep, or simply reflect on your group interactions. You can manage, delete, or even review your posts directly from this screen, without having to dig through each group individually. With these simple steps, you can quickly take back control of your Facebook group activity and make the most out of the platform's organization tools. Thanks for joining. Thanks for